Very good morning, students of class 10th. I am Poonam Prasad with your topic, with your chapter, Geography of your social science, and with the chapter number 1, Resource and its Development. Students, what we have dealt in our earlier classes, we have dealt with the definition of resources, classification of resources, the importance of sustainable development. We have gone through with the resource planning and its stages. And in our earlier classes, we came across with that the resources are quite important for the survival of human life. If the human has overexploited, then now the human is only to preserve the resources or to conserve the resources. Fine. So, this is all about that we have completed nearly the 50% of your portion. We are having the two more topics with us. One is called as land as a resource and another one is called as soil as a resource. So in today's class we are going to start with the land as a resource. Children, a very simple question I would like to asked from your side, that what do you mean by land? Okay, fine. If we are defining the land, what exactly we meant about? We meant about that land is the solid portion of the earth, right? Earth crust, which is known as, we call it as the lithosphere. आपको पता होगा the three portions are there: the lithosphere, land, hydrosphere with the water, and atmosphere with the air. So it is a lithosphere, it is a solid portion, and it is defined as a land acted as a resource. Children, if question arises that in what classification of the resources we keep the land, so we keep the land or we classify the land under the abiotic and renewable resources. Fine. If we are talking about how do we call the land as a resource, or we can say that why do we call the land as a resource? How does the land play a very crucial or very important resources in the survival of the human being or survival of the biotic world? Simple, children. If there is no land, where should we? हम लोग जो आज रह रहे हैं, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं, we can see the scenic beauty of the nature, we can see the river flowings, we can see the forest area, we can see the snowy peaked mountains, we can see the hilly areas, or we can see the plateau, which is known as the storehouse of the minerals. So, if we are performing the activities like establishment of your factories and all, where do we find out? We find here on this solid portion of your earth. आप लोगों को पता है कि out of the portion that is the 20, you can say the 71% is comprises with your water, and rest of 29% it is comprises with your land, beta, है ना? तो 1/4 portion is coverage, out of which the 1/3 is covered with water, and only the 1 portion is covered with your land. So land is called as I have already told you, that it is the solid portion of earth crust. Children, why it is so important? Because it supports your terrestrial life on the earth. If you are talking about like बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स इसमें बनेंगे, जैसे ये बायोटिक रिसोर्सेज को सपोर्ट करता है. The flora, the fauna, it grows. The vegetation, we can find it out here. हर टाइप के vegetation, whether it can be the alpine vegetation, whether it can be the deciduous, or whether it can be the tropical, whether हर तरीके के vegetation, desert, we can find here in this on this earth, solid portion of this earth. So vegetation flourish better, and also the human being has started their civilization with the help of this land only. लैंड ने ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ को सपोर्ट किया, लैंड ने ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ को अगर हम बात करते हैं एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज़ की, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था उसके सेटलमेंट के लिए, इसके साथ साथ उसने इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ की, जैसे फिशिंग करना, माइनिंग करना, उसने फैक्ट्रीज़ को, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज़ को सेटअप किया, उसने बैंकिंग, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, कम्युनिकेशन, मॉडर्नाइजेशन चीज़ें की। कहाँ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल इम्प्रूवमेंट किया, कहाँ पे किया बेटा? उसने किया किस पे? लैंड पे, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द लैंड। इसके अलावा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, लैंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, इट सपोर्ट्स रेलवेज, पाइपलाइंस, रोडवेज एक्सेट्रा। ये एक तरफ आपको रेलवे स्टेशंस प्रोवाइड करता है, एयरपोर्ट्स प्रोवाइड करता है, सी पोर्ट्स प्रोवाइड करता है, विच इज़ क्वाइट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ कंट्री। बेटा हमारी सारी की सारी जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो किसकी, कहाँ पे सपोर्ट हो रही है? दिस इज़ योर लैंड। लैंड इज़ कॉल्ड एज द होम ऑफ डाइवर्सिफाइड प्लांट्स, डाइवर्सिफाइड एनिमल्स, and it also called as the storehouse. Beta, this is the word, it is called as the storehouse. This is called as storehouse. Fine, students. Storehouse of minerals. It is also called as the it is the home of the snowy peak mountains, the highest ranges of the mountains. You can see the Everest here. You can see the Himalayan ranges, etc. You can see the densely forest areas. It means that the land is covered with the densely forest area. हम सिर्फ इंडिया की बात नहीं करें, we are talking about the world as a whole. तो where do we get this Amazon forest? Where do we get the Amazon river? Where do we get this Nile river? Where do we get this the Kilimanjaro mountain ranges? Where do we get the savannas? Where do we get the Saharas? So all are there which supports to being yet supported by the land. ये सब present क्यों है? Because ये सब supported है with the help of your land. Thus we can say, children, that the land is quite important. If we are talking about the features, the relief features, what type of the relief features does the India is comprising? India is having a different geographical, diversified geographical locations here, diversified geographical patterns here, which is called as the relief features. अगर हम पूरा इसके सिनेरियो की बात करें, इसके डाटा इसके बात करें, तो नियरली पूरे टोटल लैंड का 43% इज़ कवर्ड विद द प्लेन, जिसका इस्तेमाल होता है एग्रीकल्चर। इट इज़ एक्टेड एज फूड बाउल ऑफ इंडिया। एग्रीकल्चर के लिए, ये ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट के लिए, इसके इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज़ और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए प्लेन्स का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। जो 27% है बेटा, it is the plateau, which is already I have told you that it is known as the storehouse of the minerals. Various type of minerals we can find out. We can find out the bauxite, we can find out copper, iron, coal, etc. here. इसके अलावा जो 30% बचा है वो क्या है बेटा? माउंटेन्स। ये माउंटेन्स अगेन इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर ये क्लाइमेटिक वेरिएशंस के लिए, ये मानसूनल के लिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है, रेनफॉल के लिए, इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिया, क्लाइमेटिक चेंजेस के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, फ्लोरा फौना के लिए इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द होम ऑफ फ्लोरा फौना, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो द होम ऑफ द पेरेनियल, न्यूमरस पेरेनियल रिवर. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया. चिल्ड्रन, अगर हम इंडिया के लैंड फॉर्म्स की बात करें तो येस, इंडिया, आप लोगों ने क्लास 9th में भी पढ़ा होगा कि India is having 3.28 million square kilometers of its land, seventh largest country. Basically, it is surrounded by, it is located in South Asia and surrounded by the Indian Ocean on one side. That is why it is called as the peninsular, how it is called as the peninsular country. On the southern part, it is having Indian Ocean, one part it is having Arabian, and the western part it is having Arabian, and the eastern part it is having the Bay of Bengal. अगर हम बात करते हैं कि India is what type of the physiographic or features of India is having. So India is having the Himalayas, Great Himalayas, Northern Plains we are already talked about. Then Deccan Plateau is there. Coastal lines, it means that the Western Ghat is there. Eastern and Western Ghats. Then Indian Desert and Indian Islands, which comprises of your Arabian as well as the which comprises your Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea and Andaman Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. So this is all about your physiographic. तो अगर हम लोगों को ये physiographic features है, इसका मतलब which supports this physiographic features of India? Of course, beta, the land. So land played a very, very important role, very crucial role in for the survival of your biotic as well as your abiotic world. Fine. In tomorrow class, I would like to take your land use in the or the land utilization in Indian perspective. फाइन बेटा, हमारे देश में कितने तरीके से, किस तरीके से लैंड का यूटिलाइजेशन किया जाता है, लैंड पैटर्न का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. लेट्स वी टॉक ऑन दैट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. रिवाइज योर टॉपिक बेटा, वॉच द वीडियो properly and stay healthy and stay home. Goodbye. Thank you.